guys, it's Mickey from It's a Southern Life, and today I just popped into Dollar Tree and I just want to do a quick little short video of everything they have new. So just sit back, relax, and just see what's new in Dollar Tree. Thanks for watching. And then I saw these were out last year for 4th of July. I was actually kind of surprised to see them out now. And they have all these seed packs, which I think are great. Now these, I think, are some of the new summer colors for the organizers. I think they're really pretty. I thought this was really cool, a little portable fan. And these are those little, it's not cactus, but bamboo in the little pots, and then the little lavender pots. I am in love with this pink color. And I love these trays. You can do a lot with them. I like putting them underneath cabinets and also in drawers as well. And these are stackable, which I think are great. You can use those in the pantry, in your home office, anywhere that you would need that. And here's just a shot of some of the colors that they had. And this I thought was a huge find. These are really expensive at Home Depot. It's a plant holder or a plant saucer with rollers. I think that's great that they have that there for only $1. I definitely picked up one of those. I should have picked up a couple more. These planters I thought were great too. These are really expensive. If you go to a garden center, I was really surprised to see them. And then they have some of the floral summer and spring flowers out now. And they have a ton of pool and beach toys. I thought these were really cute for little kids.
Ready to check out? Oh no, I'm alright. Appreciate it.
And I saw some new baby bags I thought were really cute. I don't typically go into the craft section just because this Dollar Tree doesn't really have a good selection, but I did see some cute stuff here this time. Everything, I don't think it's really new, but I did find like some little science project things that you'll see in a second that I thought were really great. I have never seen these at Dollar Tree, so I grabbed a couple just in case. You never know when you're going to have a garage sale. And I thought these were pretty colors for summer, the new plates out. I thought they were pretty. And I thought this was really cute, the little frozen little kids hair conditioner and shampoo. I haven't seen those at my Dollar Tree yet. And I was actually really curious about these. I wonder if they work. Leave me a comment if they do. I saw these by the checkout and I thought they were really sweet. You could hang them on a refrigerator or even hang them anywhere. It has a magnet on the back too. This next item I was really curious about, and I only found one. If I would have found more, I would have got them. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.